guys, welcome back. And if you're new, just popping in, my name is Shannon and I live in a small house in North Carolina, and we're currently fixing it up. It's a fixer-upper. So yeah, I figured I would bring y'all along on my morning routine. And yes, I'm wearing Scooby-Doo onesies. I am 50 but still a kid at heart. So anyways, we're gonna jump right into this. And normally I get up around 4 a.m. and I fix my husband Mike his breakfast and lunch to take to work. On this day, I'm not gonna fix any lunch, but I am gonna fix him cinnamon rolls to take. And then I usually read my devotional and my woman's prayer book and a book I have, Mornings with God. And then I get a daily Bible verse sent over the phone at 5 a.m. and I normally will post it on my YouTube shorts every morning. So this is just how I start my day, and we are gonna do some painting in this video and some undecorating. I'm gonna pack up all my fall stuff and get everything ready for Christmas. And I am going to put some privacy film on the windows because I'm taking the curtains down, and I'm not going to put no curtains up right away because I have Christmas curtains that I want to put up. So I'm just going to put some privacy film on the windows.
Newly awake, tired and lazy, the cute sounds you make while sipping your coffee. I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me, just you and me, baby. Roll out of bed, I love when you're hazy, rewatching Friends for the millionth time. Well, I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me, just you and me, baby. Yeah, I did my time, the ups and downs, but now life's...
Okay, so at 5 in the morning I get a daily Bible verse.
Treating me kindly, because of you, my life's not blue anymore, 'cause you are my baby. Don't go to work, we'll stay here forever. We'll dance around the kitchen, making breakfast together. I know there's a world outside, but right now it's you and me, just you and me, baby. Yeah, I did my time, the ups and downs, but now life's been treating me kindly, because of you, my life's not...
Alright, so what y'all seeing me doing here is I'm taking off the handles because I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them black. And that's what I'm doing.
blue anymore, 'cause you are my baby. Love how you sing along to your favorite song, how you dance like nobody's watching. Wouldn't change a thing, this is 'cause you are my baby. 'Cause you are my baby.
I absolutely love this color of green, but I am not sure if when we put in new cabinets, if they're going to be green or not. It's starting to grow on me better than what it did when I first done it, because when I first done it I thought, uh-oh, I don't like it. But since it's been there for a couple of days now, it's starting to grow on me. But yeah, I've got furniture painted this color, and I really, 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 really like it. And it is the Glidden, and it's called Farm Fresh, but it's like a sage green.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more. We don't know, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
I was telling Mike, it sure is not as fun to undecorate as it is to decorate.
'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. 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 All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. All those little moments. I've been trying, only crying a time or two, telling myself somehow we will make it through. I believe you and me, we're gonna be fine. You've been saying maybe we should just be friends. All this hope like knots of rope has made a mess in between everything that we had. We realized it wasn't all that bad. It's hard to believe that we're coming undone. Getting over our fears while we're under the gun. There's no making sense of the things that they say. I know we're better than that anyway.
this is how it turned out. I'm happy with it, and it'll be nice and fresh for Christmas. And if you're new here, I hope that you'll subscribe and give us a like and leave us a comment and share all the things. And with that being said, as always, stay blessed. Bye.